Hi, this is Shannon. We are in Kaledo Print. I'm going to show you where the reference manual is and where we can get help. The question mark up here on the drop-down menu will launch help, as will doing F1. You can type in whatever you want here. You can just write season palette, hit enter, and you get all these different choices. Let's look at the shortcuts. Double click and it takes you. Oh, that wasn't the season palette. Renaming a palette. Here we go. There's something, the season palette. So I'll just shut this. The other place you can find a manual is under Start, All Programs. I'm going to go to Lectra, Kaledo Print, and this Read User Guide will launch. You can save this as a PDF, and I've actually saved these two as PDFs and loaded them onto my Nook. I have a simple e-reader, so not all of the graphics will work out, but it's super helpful to have if you want to study. And when I say not all the graphics will work out, you may not get all of this color graphic screenshot with a basic e-reader, but I bet an iPad will do a great job. Okay, so we're going to close that. I want to show you a couple items. So we're going to go to Edit, Preferences. Let's see, where am I here? Under Standard, I have my palette mode, single or multiple. We're going to be in single. And down here on the very far right-hand side of our Kaledo window, you can see that I've got an S, and I have continuous color, which means whatever item I was selecting or object is in a true color or full color window. This is where you could change to the multiple palette mode. Our resolution is 300. That's the industry standard. We work in 300. We print at 300. And we've got a background color, which is white. The Pantone, I haven't been able to get accurate results on output. This may change as I've been put in contact with somebody at Lectra to work on this. Alright, season palette. This is where we can go in and direct to which season palette we would like it to load and where the rest of the palettes are. And I have this directed to my C drive because I'm working locally. And I've turned on the color info tooltip. You could turn on grids if you want. I'm not using the grids right now. I don't have them on show. But you could do that, and it will display it in the background should you want it. The repeat boundary is black. Yeah, I could change that. Undo 10 levels. I might give it a little more than 10 levels. I don't know. This will work though. Thumbnails cache. I'm not going to worry about that. And although the stored thumbnail cache allows for faster opening of files. When I say I'm not going to worry about it, I'm not going to change it right now. And error reports gives the option of directly sending a report to Lectra. Some other important Kaledo options. We can right-click to see a menu of functions for both the object and the window. So here I just right-clicked and I have, I could bring up the guidelines. I could add a horizontal guideline. Where did that go? Right-click, guidelines. Sorry, my mouse is not working so great here. I do run a little slow while I'm running. Oh, there we go. I can add my guidelines. Right-click to get myself a vertical guideline. So I could set up some guides here if I wanted some. What was I just saying? Oh, I can sometimes run a little lag time when I'm making videos, just so you know. Okay, most keyboard shortcuts are the same from Photoshop and Illustrator. My favorite is the pan tool, or using the pan tool to get the hand, or I can click H on the keyboard. And I do want to tell you that these menus up here sometimes rearrange themselves. You can arrange them as you like, but they will, depending on what the function is that you're using, sometimes they rearrange themselves, just saying. But you can put these wherever you want. As you can see, I'm kind of playing with them. Yep, that's it for the launch and introduction.